Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as a wave 5 right here. It looks like a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of looks to me like we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5 right now, and it needs to possibly go up one more time just to finish off the 5 of 5. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as possibly an ABC correction. I still think this is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Maybe we really are in a wave 5 right now still. Like this is a 1 of 5, a 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, and then back up later on for a wave 5 of wave 5. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the weekly time frame, it kind of looked like this was already ending a correction at one point. I was actually thinking that this right here was a bottom, but now looking at the JPY index, the JPY basket, and other JPY pairs, and the fact that we have dollar news coming out today, I actually think that this probably is really a wave A. This probably is really a wave B, and it probably is actually still going to go down probably to at least a 78 or 100% to make a wave C, and this is probably actually supposed to be an ABC of 4. And then maybe in a few weeks it'll go up and make the wave 5 of wave 5. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said originally, I was thinking that this right here was the bottom of a wave C. But seeing what happened, it made impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up, and then impulsive turn. That is definitely not a trend, especially with the fact that it did not break the high. That right there definitely looks to me like an ABC correction. If that is an ABC correction, this thing is just going to keep on going down, making new lows, probably taking out the low of wave A, and it's probably going to be a wave C on the daily time frame like I was just showing. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we have non-farm payroll news coming out today. Definitely a pretty big deal for the dollar. I kind of think, like I said, this is the end of a correction right here. And if this is the end of a correction, this thing is just going to keep on going down at the news. Now, if the news actually causes it to go up and it breaks structure to the upside, that would definitely neglect this ABC, and I would definitely start looking for longs again, because at that point, it's probably going to tell you that it's heading back up. But as of right now, I definitely don't see any evidence of that. I actually think this is the end of a correction right here, and if that's the end of a correction, this thing is definitely just going to keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and it's going to keep on trending down. Probably a wave C of wave 4 on like the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my trading sessions, my daily trading sessions, and all my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.